be
like that fucking...
Oh, there's a shop here. Let's see if it says something. We got a little bit more. We can buy one.
You can get like a defense buff for someone.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one for me.
Well, I think you already have one of these.
Let's find out.
You already have the championship belt. Doesn't give you any defense, but it gives you stuff.
Well, I think it would go over this one.
No, it doesn't. If you look at what it looks like, it
oh,
looks
right.
like that.
But it gives you 0 defense.
Mm-hmm.
We really haven't been... Well, either way, we'll buy one and give it to Goofy, if anything. Because I keep wasting it. There you go. Alright, items. Goofy! Oh, he gets 2 armor.
Yeah, he's the tank.
Yeah, he gives you 1 armor.
Well, later on they get one. Yeah. Donald has 2 accessory slots.
Is there even a save point over here?
Probably.
I don't think there is.
Probably.
Unless there's like in a house. Can I go in any of these houses?
Probably.
No, there's no
It's
save
not like
spot.
we really need to save all that much. If we
Yeah.
die, we can just continue. And
That's true.
starts us basically from where we left off.
Of course I have it.
Besides, you just walked past it.
Oh, it's right there. Hello.
I was waiting for you to see if you'd even notice it.
Nope, I
Just
did
walked
not.
right the fuck past it.
And we got our drive up.
Yep. Usually whenever, like, kind of cutscenes happen, it usually...
A good time to use it.
well, it usually, resets it.
Ah. Oh, maybe we had a reset for a while. Magic! Ooh.
What?
What am I doing? Stock.
I don't even know what you're doing.
I got another... Oh. AP boost.
I don't even know what you're doing.
What are you fighting for?
That doesn't have anything to do with what we were talking about.
I know. I don't know. Magic lock-on.
Yeah.
Sure, we have the AP to do it. Auto Valor.
It just makes it like auto set to Valor if you try to go there.
Yeah. Oh god, my...
Dead Indo.
Wrong choice of words.
What is that fucking like?
Blue fire.
It's like, what is this shrine at the end of the fucking building?
Oh no.
We're all dead. Wait up, nerds.
It's just me and Milan now.
Or we could just stand there doing nothing.
Oh, of course, it's just me and Milan.
The magic force field and shit. Oh, he was
Dazzling.
there the whole time. We somehow walked past him, and our army is just standing right outside of this cave.
He's very sneaky.
Oh no, how will we deal? Oh, oh, oh. Ah.
God damn it. There's so many.
Just right as you fucking do it. Hilarious.
Oh, fuck you.
Are you gonna fucking fight the enemies? You're just gonna get there and fucking get your ass handed
Get my
to
ass
you.
handed to me.
God damn. God damn.
God damn.
Woo.
Every time with that
You
attack.
can't even notice it. Rah. Rah.
No, I should have used. I can't use my drive because Goofy's not here.
Yeah, I know. You're like, good job.
I might actually have to heal myself.
Also, you have magic. You have some sort of fire-based magic that hits everything around you.
That's true. Oh, I don't have a potion equipped. That's great.
Oh, you mean how Mulan just fucking healed you and you're running away still for no reason?
Aha!
I wouldn't doubt if you were just out of potions, because you only had like 4 or 5.
No, I just bought one, so I at least should have one.
Yeah, and Mulan used it to heal you.
Alright.
So you could just be out.
Ow. Well, this is... Oh, really?
Did you just not get out from in front of them? Fucking try attacking from the side.
No! I must fight the enemy head on. Oh, damn. And he has a fire. Whoa! I'm alright.
Oh, you almost got him.
Yeah, I got him. I did it. Slide dash.
Boss. You kind of did it, I suppose.
No, fuck that guy.
Report to the captain. Why the hell were you in the cave?
Well, so she got a new ability, but
No,
I think they
no.
automatically go. It's like, item boost and draw.
You can just don't even care.
I'm just getting her hyper healing.
Okay.
But I did get something. Slide dash.
Yeah. Get rid of scan.
Yeah. Quick.
And there you go.
Yeah.
So now you shoot farther across the screen whenever
Oh.
you start attacks.
Yeah, I forgot. Put ethers in there instead of potions. There we go. We got 2.
You don't need 2.
Potions.
Just they. Oh yeah, I guess so. Well, for some reason I keep thinking you just need to put 1 in there and it'll.
No, you have to keep putting them in there.
Yeah,
Unfortunately, I think you can select them from the menu to put them in there. But hey, look, there's no more village.
Oh, we burned it down.
The roof. The roof's on fire.
The roof might be on fire. We might have fired the roof.
Where were you?
Oh shit! I am in
We
so
would've
much
died.
trouble. Oh, if only we had had the one child, a dog man, and a fucking duck, we could have survived this encounter.
Don't overdo it, Captain.
It's just a scratch. Oh.
My chest hole
Oh
hurts.
god, wait, duck man.
Go.
Did your whole hat just unzip?
Toward the summit.
What a weird design.
We'll stop them.
Fuck you.
Kinda is our fault.
How?
Right.
How is it our fault that the fucking army attacked when
You mean
3 people were missing from the battle?
Sean, you
And
have a heart with
how come no
stickers,
one's questioning
not us.
Mushu once again?
Yeah, it's fine.
Captain?
He's not even there!
Villagers, we'll handle this.
Okay, small child that I let into the army.
Look at all this damage.
Let's go.
God.
What have they done?
They'll pay. We'll make them pay. Like, the tides of war were turned because a small boy, a dog man, a duck man, and a woman dressed as a man
Yes.
weren't in a battle.
It could have turned the tide. And look at that guy just standing outside
That
of
guy
it.
standing off there, he's like, oh shit, got real birds!
Ah! The birds!
Not the birds. Now fucking hit that rocket.
This one? Did we hit this rocket?
Yeah, we're gonna hit that rocket.
Pew!
Yeah, fuck that rocket.
Awakening puzzle.
Ba-boom!
What the hell is that thing?
Walk into it. Let's find out.
Well,
Jesus Christ,
I'm
why
gonna
are you
get-
asking me instead of fucking figuring
No.
it out?
Hey, an AP boost. I can use that, actually.
Can you?
Yes. Actually, if I go to it, that'd be
If
nice.
you go to the right thing.
Because then I could just put all my stuff back on.
I mean, you don't have to. Fucking who cares about scan?
Because it's scanned.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Ugh.
Yeah.
See, now you're zipping around a little bit more?
Yeah, which is really nice. Hello.
It's like that's. I think that's like the combat is just like, oh, that's actually better.
Well, it's because you get to ride the wind. Woo!
You did it.
There's something you're probably supposed to get him. Oh, that thing right there.
Who cares? It's a fucking puzzle piece. No one gives a
Yeah.
shit about those.
Fuck those puzzles.
Wow, this is definitely a summit. Oh my god, it's a man!
Hey,
I think, maybe. Let me get some binoculars. Sup, nerds?
Bird, you are digging into my shoulder.
At one point, I had a Hun army. Now I got these weird bird things now. I guess I just let my army go home. Because I'm like, oh, I can have, like, the same amount of things, but just birds now?
Birds!
I guess we'll just send... Our birds will blot out the sun.
Guess what's gonna happen if I can actually fight these things?
It's like 2 rows of birds. There's not even that many. You're alone now.
Oh.
They're all dead.
Like, oh.
God damn, we've been playing this for 5 hours. We're on the first fucking area.
Yeah.
Birds!
We shall fight them. Oh, look at that.
Look at that thing. That's not a bird.
It looks like the guy.
That guy's
Speech. Oh,
You didn't do it. Oh, got hit again.
it just spits out
You're
birds.
still not doing it. You're really bad at those fucking triangle commands.
Nah, I'm not looking at him, unfortunately. That's probably why.
You barely even have to look at the actual screen. If you like, the attack combo becomes just so kind of crazy that you mostly look over at your thing constantly just so you can press that. Yeah!
Arrow blast.
See, that's how you kill fucking birds. And weird.
Oh shit.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. Yeah, kill them all. It's coming back down.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Got one.
Why?
Now I'm falling. I guess.
Yeah, you fought birds.
Fuck
You
it.
fought my birds so hard.
But I have more.
My birds shall blot out the skies. Come with me, birds. Like 2 small lines of birds. You should really cut before we see that there's nothing behind
Yeah,
the
the-
birds. He's got like 12 birds.
I'll handle this.
I guess.
Yeah.
We got this rocket. We'll shoot it at him.
Wait, we should get.
And
we should
his-
do it.
Him and his 12 birds.
We must shoot down the whole mountain.
We gotta fucking destroy this mountain to kill this fucking 12 birds.
Flint, I need some. Huh.
Wait.
Huh.
Oh.
Why did you jump up?
Pink. Why did you do that?
Yeah, that actually took a little bit longer in the movie.
Yeah. I think the explosion was a little bit bigger though.
Oh, hey, Captain.
Hey,
You
what
should
do you-
probably start running. We caused an avalanche.
Can't you
We've
see-
killed... Don't worry, we took out the Hun leader and his 12 birds. Birds!
No.
Oh, the hubris of Mer. Yeah.
Your hand's so soft.
Oh my god, if only I had that weird thing that shot me into the air.
Woo!
Birds.
Wait, your hands were too soft.
Oh my god, your hands are so supple.
It
Was nothing.
I should never have doubted you. From now on, you have my trust.
And you would
Thank you,
never keep
Captain.
some sort of big lie from me at all.
Never.
Man, first she uses me as a lighter, then she turns me into a cannonball. The head ancestor's gonna hear about this. You know, that's it. I give up. I can't take this no more. Come on, Mulan. Let's quit this charade and go home, girl.
Mushu.
What? Mulan.
Wow, that's how he finds out in this game?
Instead of her being, like, injured and needing medical
Yeah.
assistant, the fucking
You're okay.
Mushu's just like, yo, you're a girl, let's go.
You knew Ping was really a woman in disguise.
Oh my god, Ping was a woman?
Oh, that's
Oh my God.
unexpected.
I can't believe you lied to me.
I mean, I saved your life, but
The punishment for high treason and dishonoring the army is death.
you were already
Get out of my
dead.
sight. Now. You're all dismissed.
I know this is an old game, but
But
his lips
Captain-
just being like.
My death is redeemed.
oh.
Hello,
The Emperor
darkness,
is
my
waiting.
old friend.
Ping is dead. Long live Ping. Oh, why are you so sad, homie?
And the three guys don't even know about it.
No, they're just like, whatever. They're just walking behind them, like, all right, we gotta go down from the mountain now too. So
I blew it.
We're going the
guess
same way.
I guess we'll just follow around you. And that was the end of the movie.
Oh, hello there.
Oh, she has hair.
Thank you, everyone. Sorry I got you in trouble.
It's no big deal.
I'm fucking around from
Oh.
around here.
I don't give a shit.
Mulan, what are you gonna do now?
What are they gonna do? Kick us out of China?
You know your daddy's gonna be steamed as a chicken dumpling.
Dad.
Oh right, I forgot I had a father.
Relax. We'll take our share of the blame.
Thanks. You're all wonderful friends.
We're the bestest of friends now, Mulan.
I believe in you guys.
Mulan has learned a new ability.
She has learned the ability to trust. And not lie. Alright, there we go. Command list.
Yeah, that's whenever it is. She can do limit commands.
Limits or abilities of consume. Okay. That's what I was wondering because I pushed the over button. I'm like, what's the difference?
Mm-hmm. Well, you can do the party and stuff
Yeah.
from that one.
Wish I didn't leave my family's armor.
Caw!
That's I just noticed that.
Yeah,
It's like
she just
my
didn't need
ancient family's armor and sword and
Doesn't need it. Well, she still has the sword. You don't give that shit away.
just fuck the armor though.
That's just crazy.
It's like the movie.
Wise from your grave. Oh,
How could you find out that I am bald?
birds! Man, I wish I summoned cooler birds.
Get them, my pretties.
Shan Yu.
He's alive.
Holy
heading for
shit,
the
I
Imperial
never
City.
expected
We've
this to
got go,
happen.
Shang.
Maybe we'll save the Emperor or something. That's silly. Okay.
Now you gotta go down the mountain still.
On the mountain.
Now you're in the burned village.
Let's do this.
Also, turn to the left. Look how high that one is.
What, that?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Look how fucking high up that
Well,
shit is.
you gotta climb it. to- Are we gonna be in the city next?
You gotta fucking leave this shitty ass town.
Land of the Dragon. Ow, ow, ow. Every time.
Red Rocket!
I'll handle this.
Red Rocket, Mushu! Red Rocket! Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Keep
yeah.
going.
It's over.
For China.
Fire.
Fucking murder.
Did she just fucking fly through the air? Darkstone.
Yeah, those fucking limit breaks are badass.
But they use up all of your magic. Though.
Yeah, but fucking magic isn't anything in this fucking game.
Yeah.
Look how fast it's going down. Once that goes all the way down, you just have full mana again.
Wow.
So the best thing to do is just use all your magic, and then you just wait for the timer to go down, and you just have your entire magic back.
Yeah.
Pep, 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 pep.
And now she's a magic caster.
Ow.
Yeah,
Notice how she's a super badass now?
Yeah. She's literally flying around.
How were you not this cool 5 minutes ago? Like, literally 5 minutes. See? Full magic.
I want to use my limit break already.
Red rocket. It was there. You didn't press it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do it. Now just fucking wreck their asses.
It just looks way cooler.
Yeah, like every single person you team up with has one of these.
Other than Donald and Goofy, I'm guessing.
Well, Donald and Goofy have the forms.
That's true. Which I have my drive all the way up to, so I just switch over and do a drive right after if I had to.
Yeah. I'd wait for the boss fight.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Through there. This strangely open door all of a sudden that leads directly to the Capitol.
He just left it open.
They just all left it open. Oh, hey, we beat you here!
Shang!
Yo, nerd!
Hey, now I have to kill you, I'm sorry.
Now that you see me as a woman...
And why should I believe you this time?
Because I helped you
She's
defeat the
telling you
fucking
the truth.
Huns?
And I saved you from an avalanche rather than letting you die?
Oh! Bird! Mother of God, it's a hawk.
Why'd it have to be a hawk?
Why is there no one here in the Capitol?
Why is my vision blurry?
Oh!
Hi!
It's me,
I snuck into the Capitol.
a Hun. I have birds.
Remember when I had men with me?
I don't need them. I just have bird.
Men.
Go to the palace! Do not let the enemy get anywhere!
Yeah!
All 5 of my men.
Oh no, there were birds all along!
Captain, we'll secure.
How
the
did you not know
courtyard, and
your
can
men
save the
were
Emperor.
birds?
See, her armor was holding her back.
It was too heavy. She needed the ninja armor. She needs to have her equipment load at 25% or lower.
Yes, there you go. And then, but it makes her...
So she can have the fast roll.
Let's see if it lets me do
See,
it.
look, she even holds the sword, badass.
Oh!
Why are you in this part? Look, you're at the attack party limit break. Go over. So you can use your magic and shit? No?
What?
No?
Nah, it's fine.
Is it?
It's fine.
Is it though? Stop getting wrecked so hard, nerd. No, it's great that the only part of their entire body that you can hit is their tiny little head in the front of it.
It doesn't make them annoying at all or anything like that. Look at that.
It's only annoying if you're bad at video games. We know.
Yeah, I mean,
We've been over this.
we're in the palace, so...
So we're gonna go now.
Good luck with that.
I'm so glad we didn't have to walk across that whole fucking thing.
Oh, look, it's...
Oh,
I wonder
it's
if this is
you.
the boss fight.
Can I just murder you?
Now you'll bow to me.
Oh, it's dark!
Get down on your knees, Emperor.
Oh, no.
I have a job for you. Is that a woman? Ow!
That hurt.
You shoulder tackled me. Oh, yeah, okay. I guess we'll deal with him then.
He just gave us the biggest FU look ever. It's like, oh, let's leave you out with the murderers.
Ah! You mean the murderer?
Murderous man.
There's only one of them.
Now.
Right now.
He's multiple. He is birds!
He has a bird. There it is. Gets on that gecko and just shoots you.
God damn it. That's the gun guy, apparently, for later.
His sword is a gun.
So
oh, magic. Alright, now limit break and fucking beat his ass. Oh, that wasn't what I was saying.
Yeah, but this will work for now.
This is fine. We kind of need to continue fighting, though. Woohoo! So we need to go over to the other side now? Now? There you go.
Coil!
Now fucking beast his ass. Oh, you're beasting his bird? Oh my god, you murdered his birds!
Oh shit!
Oh, he did the bird move to you!
He's like, you killed my bird!
How dare you kill my bird? Press it. Press it. Take down.
Yeah!
Take down!
Yeah!
Also, there are guys hitting the gates. Those kind of what you need to...
Nonsense.
Kind of need to protect them gates.
Hey guys, I might need you to help with that.
There you go.
I'm trying to also...
Oh my god, there's so many balls.
Hit.
I can probably overpower you.
So we get morale.
Well, it's not morale, you have gate level. Red Rocket!
Yeah!
Bird!
Bird!
Like right as he was going to hit you. Fucking beat his ass.
Oh, I even heard him when he was in that mode?
Well, he was doing a dive attack.
Or just bird? It's... Come on, bird! Oh shit, shit!
Oh, bird combo! Get him, Mulan! Get him! Fucking bird.
Ow.
Good job.
Oh shit. Okay, good.
Nailed. Take down. Break down.
Bring it down!
Yeah, I think he has a moment of like power up farm time.
Yeah, I think then you gotta pick up the bird. The bird is his power!
Mother of God, bird power.
Oh, of course it uses it now too. No, kill the bird!
No, kill everything.
Because now I gotta take out the bird. Where is he? Nope. Not
He's
who I
not
want.
powered up right now.
Yeah, he is. He's purple.
Is he?
Oh, not anymore.
Is he purple?
He's purple! Now he is.
I think that just means he has like a damage.
Oh, I guess if you block him when he's in that.
I think he's just got a defense bonus is all
Yeah!
that means.
Aerial sweep.
Goofy Turbo! Turbo Goofy. You're Turbo Goofy! Bleh.
Ow.
I did it. I killed a man.
That's all I ever dreamt
I
of.
beat him to death with a blunt object.
That's what I call burning some honey bun.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Mulan,
He is very nonchalant about murder.
I'm the best. Mushu's the best. Mushu's the best.
Is that a dragon? He just starts talking to Sora. Thank you for saving the world. No, Mulan did it. Oh, a woman?
Who?
Yeah,
No.
His armor ran away from home.
Yes, this is the line from the movie.
Imperial soldier. You deceived your commanding officer, shamed the entire Chinese army, and dishonored your family name.
No.
You're a young
I
woman.
always so not Sora's just like, whatever, it doesn't matter. It doesn't sound like I live here or anything like that.
Saved us all.
Oh my god, he was really nice the whole time. Oh, the Emperor is bowing to me. Thank you, horrible looking pictures in the background.
Didn't they go like to a knee in the movie, not just like hell this?
Well, maybe, but I know he didn't do the knees.
Excellency.
Well, he's old and he doesn't want to kneel that far.
Here's a sword, I guess.
Just impales her. Oh,
Oh
dick
my
move.
So the world will know what it is you have done for China.
Yo, what's the stupid sword you have on your wall?
Mulan.
Oh, I killed the.
I killed the Hun leader?
Done.
Sure you did. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that all there is to say, Captain?
We need to make you a romantic interest.
Mulan, China's bravest woman. you'll have to be
Now all of a
bit
sudden he
more
likes her.
eloquent
Just,
than that.
Well, yeah.
just, even though he left her out to die.
You know, it was kind of fine. You didn't really need to make them like a love interest.
Yeah, really.
Everything's
He's
fine.
kind of her superior officer.
Now they gotta let me
Oh,
go
no,
back
he's
to
she's
being
not
a
a part of the
guardian.
army.
Well, yeah. I mean, they were kind of, you know, like
I thought you
he
already
was her
were a
superior
family
officer,
guardian.
so it's kind of a little
What?
weird.
Oh, no, don't even worry about that. That's just real technical, just for us guardians.
You tricked
No,
us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, you
I
lied.
you know, I just didn't want to bog y'all down with all the guardian needs. See, it's very complex.
Oh my God, the sword is magic the whole time.
Huh?
Why was the keyhole in the sword? I guess I'll fucking beat myself to. Oh!
Yeah! Shoot that sword.
I'm gonna shoot that sword. I don't know what I'm doing.
I just point the thing.
I've had no training on this thing at all. Why won't anyone teach me? I'm just fucking doing shit and I don't know what's happening.
I just kind of do it. It teaches me.
I'm so stupid. I believe what the villains tell me.
Oh, Sora. You know how short this story would be if he was just like, no, fuck you.
I almost fucking die in Dream Drop Distance because I fucking believe the villain.
You shall be missed.
Yes.
Is it okay if we come back to visit?
No.
No. Get out of here, foreigner.
Very nice.
Whoa. Watch it, soldier.
Oh my god.
We're totally in love now.
Hi,
Senpai.
Sora, Donald, Goofy.
That's just all he was doing in the background.
They'll be like together.
Yeah.
The hidden dragon. I see Mushi sitting in the corner being like,
No, he's just.